Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Trust Wallet to UniSwap. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to connect Trust Wallet to UniSwap Exchange tab, open your web browser. You can open up Safari or Chrome. Since I'm using my iPhone, I'm going to open up my Safari. Once you open it up, typing app.uniswap.org and search here in the UniSwap website. Click on Connect Wallet button. You will be able to see 3 different wallets displayed in the pop-up. The wallet includes World Connect, opening Coinbase Wallet, and Formatic. Tap on the Wallet Connect button. Now in the pop-up you'll be able to see a list of wallets that you can choose from here. Just tap on the Trust button to connect to Trust Wallet, and once you are tap on Connect now, with this you'll be able to connect Trust Wallet to UniSwap. You can find by navigating to the Settings button at the bottom right-hand corner from the homepage of Trust Wallet and tap on Wallet Connect. Now select UniSwap interface, and as you can see that the UniSwap interface has been connected with your Trust Wallet. That is how it is done. UniSwap is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to swap Ethereum for other tokens. You can also connect other types of wallets such as MetaMask and Wallet Connect to the UniSwap exchange. I hope that tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.